My name is Dr. Douglas Dennis. I'm the senior partner at Colorado Joint Replacement, working at Advent Health Porter Hospital. To get the best outcomes in patients, you need excellence in diagnosis. If you don't diagnose it correctly, or you diagnose some of the problems, but not all of them, you're not going to have excellence. And I think excellence in experience. I have been doing this for about 38 years. I've done over 12,000 joint replacements, and I think that is important. And lastly, patient education. I work very hard and I work long hours, but my free time, I think, is focused primarily on my family. I have a lovely wife, I have a son and a daughter, and 4 lovely granddaughters who love Papa Doug, and I love to go ahead and spend as much time with them as I can.